What's up, guys? Today's I picked up my car and we're finna put air freshener and the mirror in. Unlock it for me, bro. Alright, so we're putting in the Broadway mirror. I got the curved one. So, I forgot how big this one is. Oh, this is a 350mm one.
Like that, and then you just pull it down.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, like that. That's it.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I can see hella now.
Yeah.
Now we're just gonna put this on some squash. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, it smells hella good already. We just I just wanted to put the mirror in today and the air freshener, so tomorrow we're gonna put some wheels on and I'm gonna give Neri my old wheels
For temporary use.
yeah, temporary, to put it on his car. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo, what up, guys? Currently the next day and we have to move hella cars. Like, Jesus. My car is right there. Just picked it up yesterday. We're gonna move like 3 cars. So we got the cars moved up now. And now we're just gonna put these Mustang rim and tire behind our tire so it won't roll back for safety precautions. Alright, so yeah, we're finna do that. So we got the tires behind our car and I'm gonna put on my new wheels, and Aaron's gonna use my old wheels for his car temporarily. So these are what I got. I got some GSR blades. I'm finna just run these.
Take it out there and just stack it up next to the car.
So I'm finna just take it now. Jesus Christ! I got some new lugs. New lug nuts. I'm gonna show you right now. Damn, it's hot outside. Don't worry about my messy ass room, but some balloons. I think they look pretty nice. But yeah, I'm finna put these on. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna jack it up now. Yeah. I'm gonna use these. Oh. Yeah.
You know how tight it was. So, put the wheel in first, right? Put that wheel in, Nicholas.
So we have no tools tightening these goddamn magnets. Dad's going to Home Depot to get it now.
And while we wait,
We're gonna ride this now, the pit bike. Oh damn. Hey, for far away it looks kind of clean though, to be honest. This guy. Hey, which one do you guys like better though? My old wheels or the blades? I think the blades look kind of better. Far away it looks clean though. Can't wait. Hey, don't worry about this monster truck height though, cause I'm finna lower that soon. Because still needs a new cap, and waiting for it. Waiting on Monday to get a new cap and take it to go get smog tested. So this car's still not passing smog yet, but very soon though. Very soon. Bam. When the guy was tightening it, he
Overly tight.
yeah. We got the other sides on. Hey, tell me what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. It looks pretty clean. Some of these wheels look kind of trash right now, but it could be fixed. It could be restored. Oh shoot. Alright, drop it, go ahead. Jeez. I know. Mine's is like kinda needs to be a little bit more low. And I'm gonna change the tire size whenever these go out. I'm gonna get some 50s instead of 60s. So yeah. And then it's putting on my old wheels. This is way better than these ugly ass hubs. Some 15s. Temporarily used though. Dropping it now. Let's see. Ooh. Oh damn. Oh, you think you could turn?
Hell yeah, I could.
Oh, you didn't take out your fender lining, remember?
I forgot. It's alright.
Oh yeah, he's good. He should be good.
You still got hella space up there, you know?
Yeah. Hey, it looks way better.
Let's take it to the other side.
We're gonna do the other side now. I'll show you guys when it's all done.
I mean, nails them.
The last one. After this, we're gonna wash the car. I'm dropping it now. But those on my car is pretty ugly. But with these, it looks cool. Damn.
Alright, this is your phone.
We gotta tighten up everything to make sure. Setting up the pressure washer now. Gonna wash both of these cars. It needs more low, but just gonna wait to do that until past the smog, because when it's too low, it won't get up on the freaking machine. So yeah, maybe next week I'll get it smoked. What the? I thought I was gonna do that. That's fine.
Bánh thọc á.
And wow, it still looks like crap. And this car looking fresh though. Except he needs a new license plate because it's so ugly. Wiped all the windows, looking better. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe and comment under this video. Thanks.